Hello guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can easily fix Microsoft Teams error 657RX. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Windows Start icon over here and then type in accounts. If you are using Windows 11, you can go and look for settings and then look for accounts. If you're using Windows 10 like me, just go ahead, type in accounts, and click on this option, add, edit, or remove other users. Then this is where we need to go, access work or school. Click on it. Then this is the very crucial part. So both Windows 10 or 11, make sure to disconnect the account you're using for the Microsoft Teams and then just reconnect the account. Then you can easily restart your PC. Once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working smoothly in your MS Teams. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.